What are you looking at?
One developed by another firm. American Eagle helped take our technology to a whole new level with digital marketing, software development, and business insight into our key markets, appliances, HVAC, and outdoor power equipment, and did so both on time and on budget. AmericanEagle.com has the resources, experience, and talent needed to produce solutions. Our new technology platform, developed by AmericanEagle.com, has produced tremendous results with higher traffic, conversion, engagement, and online revenue. If you have any home repairs you need to take care of, check us out at RepairClinic.com. If you need a world-class website or technology project, then I would highly recommend AmericanEagle.com.
Call AmericanEagle.com at 773-NETWORK. That's AmericanEagle.com, 773-NETWORK.
KCBS traffic right back to Oakland with Joe. Yeah, we got this police activity going on. They're responding to somebody in distress. Most of the activities happening right there at a pedestrian overpass, Grand Avenue at Santa Clara Avenue, but it's close enough to 580 to affect 580. So as a precaution, 580 has been shut down in both directions right at Grand Avenue. Eastbound traffic is backed up from before and on to Highway 24. Westbound delays from about Coolidge. Our own Raquel Maria Dillon called us, the KCBS phone force line, by the way, is 415-391-KCBS, the number to call if you spot a problem. She's saying westbound traffic is starting to move now, which is great news. So it looks like they may be in the process of opening up the westbound side of 580. The eastbound side of 580 still closed. Again, heavy traffic in both directions. I would still advise you to avoid 580 if you can. Highway 13 or 880 might be your better bet. That crash in Vallejo is gone, West 80 at Solano Avenue. And we appreciate that call from Jimmy. Also, we heard from, I believe it was Henry in Pleasanton, some slow traffic southbound 680. This is just south of Stone Ridge, so there may be a new problem here. Your next update, 5:58 on the traffic leader, KCBS.
Joe, it's so nice that we have this rather expansive phone force helping you out this evening. We do have weather looking forward for the next 6 days, getting a little bit better. Visit Mancini's Sleep World during the year-end clearance event or visit sleepworld.com overnight. Mostly cloudy, chance of scattered rain continues. A little bit of clearing the next few days. Our daytime highs a little bit warmer tomorrow and Monday. Into the mid-60s by Wednesday, Thursday. The clouds roll back in. And a little chance of rain for everyone across the entire Bay Area. Traffic and weather together on the 8th on All News 106.9 and AM 740 KCBS. We have Holly McDeed at the editor's desk. Well, a light display that delighted Santa Rosans for the first time last year is back, and yes, KCBS's Megan Goldsby tells us it is bigger than ever.
Last year, we estimated we had probably about 25,000 visitors, and this year we are tracking to be well above that.
Word has really gotten around about this free walk-through display, says Lauren Peters with the Luther Burbank Center for the Arts in Santa Rosa, who conceptualized and helped create the display in their sculpture garden. It's called Northern Lights.
We have a couple of bridges that really lend themselves to putting wire over to make tunnels. And then we have lamp posts and other sort of infrastructure that just lent itself really well. And so we sort of walked through it, planned it out as much as we could.
And they also have neon sculptures from students at Santa Rosa Junior College. And new this year,
we did a community design challenge for one of the bridges. And so I just want to make sure to give Nadia Fish a shout out because she is an 11th grader and she won this year. So you'll see the gingerbread bridge down there. That was her design.
It's gotten so popular so quickly, they actually had to find sponsors this year, and they are accepting donations to keep the lights on. It's all very appreciated, says Amy, who lives in Santa Rosa and brought her son Dane.
He loves lights, so I was like, oh, this is perfect for him. So yeah, he's 5. He just turned 5, and so for him, this is really fun. And he can just stand there and stare at them, and there's no pressure to leave or anything like that. He can stay here all day and just look at the lights. He loves that.
Of course, being a good reporter, I had to fact check that.
I like them.
Would you have a favorite so far?
Yes, and I have a candy cane that I'm eating.
So, a good night all the way around. In Santa Rosa, Megan Goldsby, KCBS.
Go back on 99 in a second.